human body and a very basic principle known as homeostasis. Simply put, homeostasis is the maintenance of a stable internal environment in response to fluctuations in the external environment. In some cases, such as those involving glucose, the consequences of a homeostatic imbalance can be considerably more serious. Glucose is the most important compound in metabolism, which is the sum total of all chemical reactions within a cell. The optimal blood glucose level is 100 milligrams of glucose per 100 milliliters of blood. If blood glucose levels rise above this set point, the pancreas secretes insulin, which triggers the body's cells to take up glucose from the blood. The extra glucose is stored in the liver as glycogen, which is a polymer of glucose, and the blood glucose levels fall towards the set point. If the blood glucose levels fall below the set point, the pancreas secretes glucagon. This triggers the liver to break down glycogen, thus releasing glucose into the blood, and the blood glucose levels rise back towards the set point. Why is this important? Because an imbalance of glucose is not only uncomfortable, but can adversely affect health by forcing the body to work much harder than it normally would. Having too much blood sugar is the condition known as hyperglycemia. Symptoms include thirst, fatigue, hunger, and other problems associated with diabetes. If blood glucose levels are too low, the condition is referred to as hypoglycemia. Symptoms include shakiness, fatigue, dizziness, and sometimes blurred vision and nausea. These conditions may be diet-related or due to hormone imbalances. But either way, they illustrate the body's ongoing challenge of maintaining balance, the process known as homeostasis.